This is a presentation on dividing fractions by Mathematically Marcia. Okay, we actually don't divide fractions. Instead, we have to multiply by the reciprocal. Or as many people like to say, we keep change. So we keep the first fraction, we change the division to multiplication, and we change the second fraction by change it to the reciprocal. So 1 over 3, when we flip it, would be 3 over 1. Now look at it and see if there's anything you can cancel. In this case, there is not. And then we'll just do the same things we did when we were multiplying. Go ahead and multiply your numerators. 3 times 1 is 3. Multiply your denominators. 2 times 1 is 2. And then if you did all the multiplying right, you shouldn't need to, if you did all the canceling, you shouldn't need to reduce. But we can change to a mixed number. 2 goes into 3 one time, and there's 1 left over. So this would be 1 and 1/2. Okay, so we'll keep change again. 1 over 4, we keep the first number, change division to multiplication, and change the second number to the reciprocal. 2 over 3 becomes 3 over 2. We definitely need to do that before we start canceling. If you see that 2 over 4, don't cancel it, because after you flip, they're both on the bottom. And remember, we can't cancel when they're both on the bottom. So always change to a multiplication before you start canceling. Now we don't have anything that can be canceled. So 1 times 3 is 3, and 4 times 2 is 8. So that is 3 over 8. And let's keep change again. Keep your first fraction, change to multiplication, and change to the reciprocal, or flip it. Now we do have something we can cancel. 6 and 8 can both be divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now the 3 does not have a common factor with the 4 or the 5 in the denominator. So now we're ready to multiply. Multiply your numerators. 3 times 3 is 9. And the denominators, 4 times 5 is 20. So 9 over 20. Okay, let's once again keep change. So we take the first fraction, 4 over 9. We keep it. Change the division to multiplication. Change the second number to the reciprocal. Remember, you do that by flipping. Now, we do have a couple things we can cancel here. 4 and 2 can both be divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 3 and 9 can both be divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now we multiply the numerators. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. So 2 over 3. All right, let's keep change again. We keep the first fraction, 3 over 4. Change the division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction to 8 over 5. Now we can cancel 4 and 8 can both be divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. That's all the canceling we can do, so let's multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 5 is 5. Now, that can't be reduced anymore, but we can change it to a mixed number. So 5 goes into 6 one time. And then 6 minus 5 is 1. So 1 and 1 over 5. All right, let's keep, change, and change. So keep the first fraction, change the multiplication, and change the second number to the reciprocal. Okay, here's another instance where you have to be careful about not canceling until after you change, because now those 2's are in the numerator, which means we can't cancel them. And we actually don't have anything we can cancel. So let's multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. And 3 times 1 is 3. Then you change it to a mixed number. 3 goes into 4 one time. We have a remainder of 1. So that would be 1 and 1 over 3. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button below. Share your questions, comments, requests for future videos in the comments section, and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. And thank you for watching.